Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see the major changes of the product that Tally Prime has come up with. As we all know, Tally is launching its most awaited product Tally Prime very soon. This is the big change towards accepting the new technology, and it will replace your old Tally.erp 9. So it is very important to accept the change and learn new thing. In this video, we will see the very important change that Tally has come up with. So let's get started. This is the icon of Tally Prime. By double clicking on Tally Prime, the Tally will open and now you can see the Tally Prime with the flying colors. This is the first look of our Tally Prime. Now let us discuss very important changes and the things newly come up in Tally Prime. At company selection level, we will be getting path browsing, specify browse, same screen company creation and status of company migration. So let us understand this option. As you can see on the select company, I will be getting an option of create company where I can create my company. I can select the company and work remotely at this single screen only. Then I have specify path. I can give my path from my folder and open my company. And last very important option, select from drive. I can open my companies by selecting from the drive. I will just open the drive where my company is located and I will search my company path and I can open my company. So you can see under Prime Data, I can open my company. Here you can give your password and you can open your company. Here you will also be getting the status of your company for which migration is required. Tally Prime has come up with very beautiful feature that is touchpad and mouse technology. We can use mouse as well as the keyboard. Previously the dependency was more on the keyboard. So we can use mouse and touchpad technology, which is we can use for the next generation. Now in the Tally, by clicking on the company, by clicking by mouse, you'll be getting the various drop down. By clicking on data, you'll be getting the drop downs. So by use of the mouse, you can access your Tally very easily. There are two parts in Tally. One is functional and second one is technical. Previously, the technical option was inside the Tally menu. But now in Tally Prime, they have given the options at a click. So let us understand this. At the top of the Tally Prime, you will be getting all your technical buttons. By clicking on company, you can create, shut or select your company. By clicking on data, you can take a backup, restore or split or import and export all the option, even though data synchronization option will be also on a click away. So now functional and technical parts are at the different places now, which is very important change. Now the Tally Prime has a great masterpiece with go to button. We can handle entire functionality of the Tally on a single button itself. Previously, functional option searching was very difficult task, but now it's just a click away. So let us understand how this work properly in Tally Prime. Here you will be getting go to button. By clicking on go to button, you can create all vouchers, create masters, alter your masters, and for expanding all levels you can create on expand button. Here other options have show more where you can see all the options at one click. By clicking this, you will be getting a second option which is show inactive. By clicking on show inactive button, you will be getting the functions which are not activate yet, and you can activate those buttons from here itself. So entire Tally you can handle on a single click, which is go to button. So it's a great master stroke by Tally itself. This is very much useful option for data entry operator as well as the managerial level people. You can open your balance sheet, you can open your profit and loss account, anything, any reports, any masters. If you want to open, you can open from the go to button itself. So previously the searching was the issue, but now you can enter and you can do anything. You can open whatever options you want to open. You can do anything at the single glance. You'll be getting all the option at the single click in go to menu. The very important option now the Tally Prime has is single menu for all type of master creation. This is the master stroke from Tally itself. Now you can see Now you can see single menu for all masters type, creation and alteration. Here if you need to create, you can create any masters. Previously the accounting master was at the different place, inventory and payroll masters was at that different place. But now you can see the Tally Prime will give you all the masters at the single place. In master menu you'll be getting creation and alteration. You can create all the masters, alter all the masters. Here under accounting masters, we are also be getting an option of show more. By clicking on show more, we will be getting more option of the masters. Under show inactive, we will be getting the options which we have not yet activated. If you need to activate it, from here we can activate. Previously, we first have to activate the option, and then after activation, we are given the rates and the changes we need as per our requirement. But now you can see by clicking on these options you can enable the options at the single place. One more important option, that is chart of account. By clicking on chart of account, all master related data will be available at single screen. Here you can also change the active company. So in show active inactive, you'll be getting the masters which is inactive till the date. You'll be getting all chart of account, chart of inventory and payroll masters available at the single screen. You can click on any option and you will be getting the details now. So let us understand by an example. Let us click on the ledger. So all ledger related information you will be getting at the single screen. Here at the right hand side we will be getting an option of multi-masters. By clicking on multi-master you can create the multi-masters, you can alter the multi-masters at the single screen. Here by clicking exceptional report we will be getting few points. We can see the used unused ledger. Also we can see the email validation which work as a contact register. We can update our contact register by entering here. We can update the data and we will be getting the entire contact register ready at the single click. The second option, change view, we have. By clicking on change view we can change it to the ledger view. Again on exception reports you can validate your PANs, you can update your PAN at the single screen, you can create a deductee type also. And the second options we have, that is update party GSTIN. For GST related issue, if you have any updation you can update at the single screen. Here you can see the party related state, country, registration type, party and GSTN number, all functions we have. We can even configure more option and we can enable more option by clicking on this option, and you can see all the option at the single screen. So entire GST before registration, set GSTN for multiple address, all options we will be getting at the single screen. This is the very beautiful option the Tally has come up with. This is very beautiful option the Tally Prime has, that is voucher entry, standardized button at all level. Now you can see by clicking on vouchers I will be getting the buttons from F2 till the F10. So these all button at this is standardized at all level. Even though if you go to the contra payment at any level it is standardized. But now if you're on the payment window and if you want to change it or go to the inventory vouchers, you can click on F10 other vouchers and you can go to the delivery note itself. So this is the multi voucher window alteration, or I can say window moving options we have. By clicking of other options you can even come to the sales itself, so you can move at any time to any voucher type. So here we will be getting one more option, that is more details. By clicking on more details you will be getting, while doing the sales, general options like dispatch, export, voucher narration, order details, and you can put all the details here itself. So by clicking on more details you can put all the details of the sales. So this is the very beautiful option that Tally has. Now in Tally Prime we can create a multiple vouchers as well as we can do the multitasking. How we can do these things, let us understand. Suppose I am doing the voucher entry. So while doing the voucher entry I will select the party. Once I select the party I will accept those necessary things. So after selecting the party, if I need to know or if I want to know the amount or the outstanding of the party, I can directly click on the go to button. I can select the outstanding, and by clicking on ledgers outstanding you can check the about healthcare private limited's outstanding. So now you can see this much is the outstanding, that is 1690 to 300 is the outstanding, and you can, by pressing escape button, you can come up to your main screen and you can pass the entry. Even though while passing this entry, if you want to pass an emergency entry before this voucher type, you can click on go to menu, you can come on the create voucher option, you can pass the second entry with the other party. Suppose the others personal care is the party, you can pass this entry. Once you pass this entry, so I will just pass this entry. So once I accept this entry, you can see this is the 16 number entry, and once I accept this entry, I will automatically come to my 17 number sales entry which I have previously opened. Now the Tally Prime has simplified the tally reporting. Now the more organized tally reports and display more reports option will give you the clear picture for your reports. Under display more reports, you will be getting all your reports at the single screen. Previously it was at the different places, but all reports now you can access at the single galley display more reports. Even you can access your fund flow, your inventory book, your statutory report at the single screen. One more important option we have, that is analysis and verification. Under analysis and verification, we have data analysis, where we'll be getting all the chart of account, verification of balances, procedure, all things at the single place. By clicking on the analysis and verification report, you can open your balance sheet, you can see your balance sheet, you can open all other reports also. So now we can open our profit and loss account, and here we will be getting the options, different options, so you can do the things as per your requirement. Here under verification of balances, once we click here, we will be having an option of balance variances. By clicking on balance variances, we will be getting the balance of the year wise, where we will be also getting a variance report for each and every chart of account. So you can see for the sales also, if you have any type of sales, what was your sale in a previous year and in a current year, and what was your variance position, that you can see on a single screen. For helping, Tally has come up with F1 help button. Now you will be getting all type of help under Tally help itself. And now we have the various option at the single click. Even though we can upgrade our Tally at single screen, here we will be getting an option of troubleshooting, where we can rewrite, repair and reinstall our application, even though the migration option is also here. Secondly, we have setting option, where we'll be having the details of our licensing and the setup of the Tally. Secondly, we have the Tally add-on option here itself. The very important option about is here, where we will be getting the entire information about our application, data, connectivity and machine, where you'll be getting the entire information of the application status, any TDL is added or not, data information, where the data has actually configured, connectivity and Tally gateway details, and the computer information which was previously not there. What is your computer status? How much is the what is the operating system? Where the firewall is activated or not? Hard drive or disk drive memory? What is the procedure? And now one more thing, I just want to inform you that 64 is very much important. All the application of the Tally is now will run on the 64-bit machine, which is useful for the next generation technology. So as a data entry operator or as a common man, what is the machine requirement you need to learn or need to have in your mind? That entire statement Tally will fetch at the single screen. Two more functions I would like to add. By clicking on daybook, if I want to hide something, previously we need to press Alt R, but now by clicking Control R, you can hide your entry level. Even though while passing the sales entry, if we want to use the calculator, even we use the calculator. So at this window, we have to press all the necessary thing, Alt C, and we have to give the rates. Now I have given the rate. Now you can see 500 into 100, and once you press the enter, you can see your rate has been updated here. So this is how you can do the necessary things update at your Tally Prime. These are the few important changes that Tally has come up with. So let us understand. If you have any doubts related to Tally Prime, you can contact on given below number, and you can access or you can send any email to given email ID. Thank you.